In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the domain forwarding feature with Hostinger. Domain forwarding is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to redirect your domain to another existing website seamlessly. Whether you're consolidating your web presence or steering traffic to a new destination, domain forwarding simplifies the process. Let's walk through each step so you can set this up without any hitch. First, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and you'll find several options. You're going to want to zero in on the domain section. This is essentially where you manage all your domain-related settings. Click on that and you'll be presented with a list of domains that you currently own. Now, here's where you will need to locate the domain that you wish to forward. Look next to the domain name for the Manage button. Give it a click and it will take you to the domain overview page. This is the hub where you can see all the details of your chosen domain, as well as make any necessary changes. Scroll down on this page until you find the section labeled Forward Your Domain to an existing website. This is the feature that allows you to redirect your domain traffic. When you find it, go ahead and click on Forward Domain. You'll be prompted to enter the destination URL for the redirect. This is essentially the new address where any visitor to your original domain will be sent. Make sure to double-check this URL for accuracy to avoid any unintentional redirects. Before finalizing, there's an option called Advanced Options that you might find handy. Clicking on this lets you choose between a temporary redirect, known as a 302, or a permanent redirect, a 301. If you're not sure which to select, here's a tip. A permanent 301 redirect is generally recommended for SEO purposes because it tells search engines that the original domain has been permanently moved to the new location. This helps in maintaining your search engine rankings and ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience. Finally, once you've entered the destination URL and decided on your redirect type, it's as simple as clicking Create. And just like that, you've successfully set up domain forwarding. Anyone visiting your original domain will now end up on the specified website. Domain forwarding is a powerful feature to master, and I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.